This thing's coming your way.
Yeah, if you're on Highway 45 right now between Brooksville and Macon, you need to pull off. If you're listening to us on the radio, you need to pull off behind a substantial structure.
Get your phone on video and just video out that
window. Ground, or it could be in moments. So if you are driving, you know anyone that's driving on 45 between Brooksville and Macon, give them a call. Or if you are driving right now, find a more substantial place to pull over, a bathroom, a gas station, a restaurant, anything like that we can get inside and see what's going on.
Yeah, and this is it's a very flat part of the area here.
Probably right there.
Brooksville and Macon, so if something's developing, you'll be able to see it. And if you see it, go the opposite direction. But this thing is spinning up pretty good. We've got, if you look at Vanessa's radar right there, those little spinning cones right there.
Is that
that's
one right
level
there?
signatures. And
yeah, you can get especially
it looks
right
spinny.
here, right to the west of Macon. So definitely what Trevor said. If you're
That's it.
Are
you proud of me?
If you know any loved ones that are traveling either north or south on
So
Highway
which way will it
45,
go?
especially
It's gonna go
between
from
Macon
left to
and
right.
Brooksville,
You
now
can
is
see
not
it.
the
Yep.
time to travel, like Trevor said.
You can see it.
Keep yours
The
on.
National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe
there it is.
thunderstorm warning for
Look, you see it?
southern
Yep.
Aranda County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, northern Monroe County in northeastern Mississippi, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:28 p.m.
you
Central
keep
Daylight Time,
videoing.
a severe thunderstorm was located near Cheyenne, or 9 miles northwest of Amory, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
That's it.
expect damage to roofs,
Are you
siding,
proud
and
of seeing
trees.
it?
Yep.
Locations impacted include
Yeah,
Amory,
Keep
Yeah,
video.
turn it off.
Keep video.
Where do I video?
Just out in the right window.
Middleton, Hasley, Huntsville, Turin, Tilden, Wynn, Digby, Gibsonville, Arden, and Cascade.
All right, roll your window a bit.